Hi, it's Leslie in Tennessee, and it is a drizzly April morning, and I wanted to make some holes for our blueberry plants that we're going to be purchasing. And the instructions said it needs a 2.5 foot across hole and about 1 foot deep. Well, the soil is so muddy, and we have clay right here. And so I decided to use my Broadfork. This is a handy tool that I have owned, for probably 10 years. I just love this. The tines are nice and long so that this actually can get deeper than a rototiller, and it doesn't disrupt the soil quite so much as a rototiller would do. The tines are very sharp and they will penetrate the soil quite well. I've already done the holes for my blueberries, so I'm just going to go ahead and do another section right here just to show you how wonderful and fun a Broadfork can be. They come in different widths, and this one is just perfect for us. So this area had a weed barrier or landscape fabric over it last year, so there are no weeds on it. But let me just show you how wonderful this is, even when the soil is heavy and wet. It's kind of fun to use. Just dig it right down in there. And up it comes, just like that. Now what I would do is go ahead and do it the opposite direction as well, just to break it up really well. It's quite a fun tool. And this will allow for the roots of your plants to get down deep as this is broken up. Also helps water penetration. Alrighty, now you can also run the tool this way and break it up a little bit more. I think what I'll probably do is just use this patch for putting in some wildflowers or some sunflowers. Just a little pollinator patch to put next to my other garden. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. And that is how you use a Broadfork. Remember, you were created to live in the garden.